Hey guys, I continually get asked by clients, what can we do to improve our marketing? So I wanted to just do you a demo video, just showing you what we can do with QR codes with some ideas for that. So if you are in Kabooyaa, we have a section where you can build your own QR code. So if you go to sites and then you come across here to QR codes, you'll open up and then you can create a new QR code. So I'll tell you what we're going to do with this. I'm going to create a QR code that opens up an SMS message that sends a message into Kabooyaa. So it sends a text message from the person's phone once they scan the QR code, and that text message comes in, and we're going to set up an automation that automatically sends them an SMS back with a link to our demo site. So you could use this for so many things, but that's what we're going to do here as a demonstration. So I'll show you how to create this yourself. So create QR code, and you'll see here we can choose, we name it. So let's call it book a demo. We'll call it that, that'll do. And you see here you can have a website that they go to straight away. You can have a review link, which we already do for some of you already. You can have it so that they call you directly. SMS is what I'm going to use, or email. So we're going to make it SMS. Move that out of the way, and we'll hit next. And you've got to put the phone number in. So we're going to go down here, and this is the phone number of your Kabooyaa system. So this is the number that you want them to text you to. So in this case, 88, and I'm going to just have a message here that automatically populates when they hit the QR code, and that's going to be yes, I'd love a demo to show me how Kabooyaa AI bot can streamline my trade business. Now that's going to that's the message that's going to appear on their phone that they would then hit send, and that would come into our system. We're then going to come here and we're going to change the background color just because I can. And I have the color saved here. So we're changing the hex code just to change the background color. So that's that. Then you can come down here and you can change whether it's circles here or squares or whatever you want it to be. That doesn't matter. Now we can also add a logo, and I've got a actually, let's go here. Go into Media Library, and we'll go get link. We go back, and if we put that in there, that will populate there. And we want to remove background behind the logo. You can hardly see it, but you get the idea. So if you wanted to use a Google logo or something else, you could do that. Or I could make the color different in the background. So that's what I'll do. Just give me a second. Okay, so I'm going to change the background color to another one of our colors that we have for our branding. There you go. Now we can change the dot colors. Let's change those. Let's see what that looks like in white. There you go. We can change that. Change it up to white if we want to. Doesn't matter. We can do whatever we want. So you can brand this up exactly like you want it. So now that's done. I'm happy with that. That will do me. And then we can hit save. Now you see here that I've got this QR code that I can put on a brochure, or I could put it on a Facebook post, I could put it on the side of my van, and if somebody scans it, then they will get a text message come up that their SMS messaging service will open up on their phone with that pre-populated message that we put in there. And then we're going to create a workflow now. Now I've already created this workflow, but to make it easy and to show you how simple it is, how about I create a new one. So if we go back to workflows, we'll create a new workflow from scratch. So we're in automations. We're just going to create a workflow. We'll call it new demo SMS. That'll do. Now, the trigger is going to be customer replied. Now, they replied via filter here. They replied, reply channel will be SMS and contains the phrase, I would love a demo. So that is the first part of the message. I'd love a demo. Let's change that back. We'll make sure that it works. We'll go here. Contains phrase. Yes. Love a demo. Now you'll notice that it's not even the entire message that's in that. It just contains that part of it. So anything like that, we'll fire that off. We're going to save that. We'll give it a wait because we don't want the message to go back straight away. So we're going to do a wait, and I'm just going to go 0.3 minutes, and I'm going to save that. And then I'm going to add an SMS. Yes. And then we're going to add the body in here. So I've already created the copy that I want. So we would love to show you how Kabooyaa AI bot can streamline your business. And I'll make it trade business. Let's change that. Trade business. And then full stop. And then use this link. So I've got my my demo link that I want them to go to, but you could drive them to a web page, landing page, where they fill out some sort of a form or enter some competition, something like that. And you could also add a notification to yourself. So notice, internal notification, and you choose the type, and that could be an email or a notification if you want to send to the app. So then you would add in here contact, full name, would like an AI bot demo. So you're going to be notified of that. We're going to make it a conversation, and we're going to particular user, and in this case it's going to be me, and we're going to save that. Title. We've got to give it a title. New demo request. Save. So then you need to save that and also publish the workflow. So we will need to turn it on and save it. So here's what happens when somebody scans that QR code. Their SMS messaging system on their phone will open up. It will populate with that message, yes, I'd love a response, and it comes to the number that we've chosen in the setup. It waits half a minute, sends them back an SMS with the link for them to book the demo, and it also sends us a notification. So this is for me to book a demo, obviously, or for somebody to book a demo with me, but it can be used for anything you want with this, because the reply channel can be a call, chat widget, email, Facebook message. So you could use anything you wanted. Google My Business messaging, Instagram messaging, live chat from the chat widget, WhatsApp if you got that connected. So there's so many things that you can use to trigger this type of workflow using a QR code. So I hope that is helpful, and please reach out to me with some ideas on how you think you could use this. Happy to help you set it up, but I'm sure if you follow this quick 10-minute video, you should be able to set it up yourself. Make sure you test it before you deploy it to the world, and have fun. Talk soon.